Okay, this is the story of how Felicia nigger house is.
Yeah, and it's not our house. It's not our house. Oh, hello, random house.
Rebels! Wait, you gotta go inside. Okay, maybe we can rob this place.
Oh my god, yes. You're so stupid. Oh, I love this movie.
It's a dog. Look at the lion. It's a lion.
Take away from us. You don't know what? We can Let's skedaddle out of here. Hey! We're robbing you!
I'm supposed to notice
What's
us.
this? This is Craig? We're taking it. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's order the next. Look at all these stolen items. Oh, look.
We're such rebels.
Look at Taylor.
Ooh, a room.
Smoking cereal. Smoking cereal. Smoking cereal. Smoking cereal. Cereal and milk. Cereal and milk.
We can go be drug dealers now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your crack.
What are you
Yeah,
selling?
crack.
Donuts.
That's that, man.
Alright, let's make up a story.
Okay,
We
we're back
can
to our
duct
story,
tape-
so we'll have
duct
another
tape these
video on soon,
mofos
okay?
up. We're gonna duct tape these mofos up in this chair, feed them with this broomstick, shove a donut in their butthole, and then feed them crack. Does that sound like a deal?
Yeah.
Let's invite someone over. Lindsay.
Right.
Let's invite Lindsay over. We can duct tape her to this chair, beat her with this broom, and then kill her.
And then we can eat the donuts. Okay, bye.